Hello Adobe Express creators, want to add some eye-catching icons to your design? I'll show you how in just few steps. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Express and either start a new design or open an existing one. Go to the Elements section to add elements to your project. In the search bar, type icons and browse through the available options. Once you find an icon you like, just tap on it to add it to your design. You can resize, rotate, and reposition the icon as needed. Want to change the color? Simply select the icon and adjust the color to match your theme. Icons can add a unique, professional touch to your design. Use them to highlight key points or decorate your text. If an icon does not show up clearly, adjust the contrast or layer it over a transparent background to make it stand out. What's your favorite type of icon to use in designs? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.